Hey guys, so I'm here at Home Depot buying some chicken manure to top on my dragon fruit. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Here we go. Some chicken manure for the fall season is coming, so I gotta feed my dragon fruit plants. As you can see, the price of chicken manure has went up. I think it used to be like $3 something. Now it's like $4.27. As you can see here, I'm gonna grab about 10 bags of this, and then I'm gonna go home and mix them with perlite. Guys, this is all the bags that I'm getting at Home Depot. The price has gone up, so make sure you stock up on these. Prices aren't getting cheaper. Inflation is causing everything to go up these days. These are good for your garden, all-purpose soil amendment, add organic material soil, and it losing heavy soil. I like to mix this with perlite just because I noticed when I put just chicken manure on top of it, the soil itself turns to thicken. So I like to put a little bit more, mix it with perlite with it. Here you go, guys. These are perlite. These are very good at Home Depot. The price itself is about 18 bucks for a bag. I will buy one of this. You only need one. It's 2 cubic feet per bag, so you can buy one of this, and then you can mix it with the chicken manure. There you go, guys. Very easy to make your own fertilizer. Okay, no need to spend a lot of money on the on the expensive stuff. This is the organic way. This is a great way to save money. You don't have to spend a lot of money on fertilizer. You can just buy these chicken manure and just top it on your plants, sprinkle on top of it. Try to not put too much of it because it will burn your roots. So just be very cautious. You don't have to put too much. For me, during the season, it's good for me to fertilize it before the end of the year, and then I'll do another fertilization next March. Okay, but this is a good way to save money, guys. So I'm gonna get about only 8 bags for now, see how much I need, and then I'll come back for more if I need more. So I got a worker. I couldn't get in here because there's all this Christmas holiday boxes that they got going on. So I asked one of the employees to come up and grab me a bag of potting mix for my passion fruit. Pretty funny. Here he comes. Yeah, he had to climb all the way up to all this soil. Thank you, man. Sure. Appreciate it. There you go, guys. Buy in soil at Home Depot. That's how we do it. Hey guys, so I have a little 25-gallon container here, and then chicken manure and some perlite. So usually I like to put it in the container. That way I can control the dirt, so it doesn't get very messy, and then later you have to spend more time cleaning up after your work. So I like to keep it nice and neat as much as possible, so that way I don't have to spend a lot of time cleaning it up. But I'm gonna go ahead and pour a chicken in here. Here you go. Pour one bag in here. Pretty easy to do. And then give it some perlite. Just use your best judgment, Try to keep it a balanced ratio 50-50. Okay. See here. Show you what it looks like. There you go, right? Just a balanced ratio, what it looks like. There you go. And then I'm gonna get another bag of chicken because I'm gonna be top soiling a lot of pots. I have about 20 pots out here in the front, so I need to make sure I give enough to feed all my dragon. There you go. It doesn't smell that good, guys. So when you guys use chicken manure, you guys gotta make sure you guys warn your neighbor, or else they're gonna be very, very upset with all this chicken manure smell. there you go. Where's my little shovel? I have a small shovel here. And I'm just trying to mix it up. Chicken eventually turns very solid over time, and it's hard to get the water through it. So that's why I put some perlite in there, so that way the water can get through it. My wife's gonna be home soon, and she's gonna be telling me, "What's that smell?" It's chicken poo, honey. All right, there's nothing much I can do. It's part of planting. Gotta use organic material. All right. Give it a little bit more. A little small bucket here. What I'm going to be using is I'm going to put some chicken manure in here, and I'm going to use. It's going to help. It's going to help me to carry this chicken manure around, and then pour it into the pot. It's easier, right? Rather than just going back and forth, right? Trying to work smart, not hard. But here we go, guys. And slowly pour it in. Just like that, guys. Nice and simple, right? Doesn't need to be hard. Just top. What I'm doing right here, it's called topping it. Sprinkle in it on top of the pot, right? This is why it's called topsoil, right? For a reason. All right, chicken manure has a lot of nitrogen, so you're giving it. So what it does is gonna make your dragon plants green. It's giving more nitrogen. This is very good stuff, guys. Very highly recommended. All right, give it a little bit more. Go. Oh, I didn't expect this to fill up the whole thing. But yeah. Filling this with all chicken manure. So here are a bunch of chicken manure mixed with perlite. Very easy, simple formula that anybody can use. And this will be very good for your dragon fruit. Okay? For next year. You're trying to feed your dragon fruit this year for the upcoming year. So I hope you guys like this video, and please remember to like, subscribe, and leave any comment you have questions. Thank you, guys.